Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, Cocomi has rejected the resolution of ruling NDA MLAs which was taken following a meeting yesterday. Speaking to media following the NDA legislator meeting last night, Working President of IPSA, Manipur said declaration of few Kuki militants involved in Zaribam killing as unlawful organizations is dissatisfactory. What Cocomi and other CSOs have been demanding is the declaration of all Kuki militants groups under suspension of operation sue as unlawful organizations. Athauba further urged state government to put pressure on center to abrogate the sue with Kuki militant groups, maintaining that Cocomi will continue with its agitation if government fails to act on their demands within 24 hours.
Lengakna sabsaba phiyep ama Manipur miyamna pamba adugumba wakal duda phiyep logdabdi haiba hoi taksinuna lakuni adubu ahoina yamna positive oina torkani aina khalluga yamna ona tainaba ama thogle haibdi ngasi khoigi NDA gi khoigi MLA sing amadi minister sing lokiba wariyat yamna piningai oidaba khoigi apama mongda lawrapre hoina pambadi su da laiba mayamsi su withdraw torga maruina UPF ni kenosi mass operation tatarga military crackdown ama India lengakna military sing mathakta sathagadabni maramdi bakoi foreigner gi military ngakani ado khoida lan darakpani haibdi maram orga bakoi adu wariyat lobiu haibda bakoi na madu ontaina na lawpodagi khoina 7 days de lawi abudabu maduda yauri ba motor mi adu khaktang lawre haibi mo 7 days mu puthokadamni haibda maram orga madu yaningde khoina pamdre India government su haiba su group singdo withdraw torga makoi gi military crackdown mu sathagadamni akakdabo matumam piraga tawdragadi Manipur lengakna MLA singina khoigi NDA dei tokani haiba phirep lobiu atu akak amatam review haibu madu on taina bada makoina madu tawdre khoigi only military responsible na haira sidasu madu yaning da makoida lere aduna maram orga karigumba hayeng manung da heng pun kubargi manung da khoina masi review torga miyang apama mongla topregati akoida tongan ba Manipur ki leiba lenga ki loisan khudimak central line loisan khudimak koi boycott tongno thingma orani